Africa is a land of enigmas, a continent of discoveries that defy logic and challenge our understanding of the past. From hidden chambers in the pyramids of Egypt to mysterious spheres billions of years old, Africa holds secrets that science is still trying to unravel. Today, I invite you on a journey through the most incredible discoveries made on this continent. How did perfectly sculpted spheres appear in rocks dating back 3 billion years? What does the secret chamber in the Great Pyramid of Khufu hide? And could a blue stone be proof of an extraterrestrial civilization? Stay with us until the end to find out. In 1990, in Sierra Leone, a miner discovered a stunning blue stone. Analysis revealed that this stone contained 77% oxygen, along with other elements like carbon and silicon. The problem? There is no known natural process on Earth capable of creating such a compound. Another peculiarity is the molecular structure of the stone, which does not resemble any other known mineral. Tests conducted by international researchers suggested that this stone does not originate from any geological formation known on Earth, fueling theories that it could be an extraterrestrial relic. Some geologists have attempted to explain the stone's origin through rare geological processes, but their explanations remain unconvincing. The question remains, is this evidence of an advanced unknown civilization, or is it an exotic mineral yet to be fully understood? Some theorists speculate that the stone could be a fragment of a meteorite containing elements from an alien world, while others suggest that it might have been artificially crafted by an ancient civilization with knowledge far beyond what we currently understand. To this day, the skystone remains an anomaly, with no definitive answer as to where it truly comes from or how it was formed. In 2021, a shepherd in a South African village found a shiny stone in a field. Believing he had discovered a diamond, the news spread rapidly. Within days, thousands of people began digging feverishly in search of treasure. In a landscape dominated by hope and chaos, the village of Kwagalathi transformed overnight into a land of unfulfilled dreams. Thousands of people arrived from all over South Africa, armed with shovels, pickaxes, and high hopes. Streets were quickly filled with makeshift tents, and many newcomers believed their lives were about to change forever. However, after thorough analysis, geologists confirmed that the stones were not diamonds, but quartz crystals. The disappointment was immense, but the phenomenon revealed a harsh reality. The economic desperation and the hope of people seeking a better life in a region facing severe financial difficulties. Although the stones lacked the expected value, the diamond rush forever changed the local community, proving how a simple discovery can trigger a nationwide reaction. The incident also highlighted the need for better geological education and awareness, as well as government intervention to prevent misinformation from spreading unchecked. Despite the heartbreak, some villagers continued to believe that hidden gems still lay beneath the earth, fueling further speculation and occasional return visits by treasure hunters. In Madagascar, nature has created a surreal landscape, a forest of sharp limestone formations known as the tsingy. These rock formations have been shaped over millions of years by wind and water erosion. Tsingy is not just a geological wonder, but also a unique habitat for rare species, such as lemurs, that have adapted to survive in this rugged terrain. While it may seem inhospitable, this place is a perfect example of how nature creates and preserves unique ecosystems. In South Africa, buried in rock layers over 3 billion years old, researchers have found small, perfectly sculpted spheres. Some are smaller than a fingertip, while others are the size of a tennis ball. But what makes them truly astonishing are the engraved lines on their surface, so precise that they appear to have been created by an advanced machine. These spheres, discovered in the mines of Ottosdal, have sparked heated debates between scientists and supporters of alternative theories. Geologists claim the spheres were formed through a natural geological process called concretion, where minerals within the rock crystallized and created these incredibly symmetrical structures. However, one aspect remains unexplained. Some spheres have a hollow center, and analysis shows they are made of a material much harder than the rock they were found in. Some researchers suggest these artifacts could be evidence of an ancient lost civilization that had access to advanced technology billions of years before modern humans appeared. Could these spheres be remnants of an unknown past, buried beneath layers of time and forgotten history? Adding to the mystery, the sphere's metallic composition is unlike any other naturally occurring mineral formations, raising further questions about their origin and purpose. The precise grooves encircling some of the spheres suggest that they might have rotated at high speeds or been subjected to an external force. In 2013, within a cave system in South Africa, researchers discovered the remains of a previously unknown human species, Homo naledi. These beings lived around 300,000 years ago and had strange features: a small brain, but hands similar to ours, capable of using tools. Another fascinating discovery is that Homo naledi appears to have had a burial ritual, a behavior typically associated with Homo sapiens, a much more advanced species. If this species practiced such customs, it means that the origins of symbolic thinking and cultural practices are far older than previously believed. This discovery reshapes our understanding of human evolution and raises questions about how these primitive species interacted with other early human groups. A groundbreaking study has unveiled that humans inhabited the rainforests of West Africa approximately 150,000 years ago, significantly earlier than previously believed. This discovery challenges the long-held notion that early humans predominantly occupied savannas and open woodlands, suggesting a remarkable adaptability to diverse environments. Archaeologists unearthed stone tools and organic remains in the dense rainforests of present-day Ivory Coast, demonstrating that early human populations not only survived, but thrived in these humid and resource-rich ecosystems. Until now, it was assumed that ancient humans avoided rainforests due to their challenging conditions, dense vegetation, predators, and limited visibility. However, these findings suggest that humans developed unique survival strategies, such as exploiting fruits, nuts, and small animals, much earlier than previously documented. Additionally, the discovery provides a new perspective on human migration patterns across Africa. If early humans successfully lived in rainforests, it could mean that other tropical regions of Africa and beyond were also inhabited much earlier than we once thought. This raises further questions about the role of rainforests in human evolution and whether these environments served as migration corridors rather than barriers. Archaeologists have uncovered the earliest and largest known agricultural complex in Africa outside the Nile corridor. Located in Oued Bet, Morocco, this farming community dates back to between 3,400 and 2,900 BC, making it a contemporary of early civilizations in Mesopotamia and Egypt. The site reveals a large-scale farming community spanning several hectares, complete with irrigation systems, granaries, and evidence of organized livestock management. This discovery rewrites the history of the Maghreb region, which was previously thought to have lagged behind the agricultural advancements of the Near East. The excavations show that these early Moroccan farmers grew crops such as wheat and barley, and raised domesticated animals including cattle, sheep, and goats. The use of irrigation suggests a sophisticated understanding of water management, critical for sustaining large settlements in semi-arid conditions. This site's significance extends beyond agriculture. Pottery, burial sites, and even primitive metal tools were discovered, hinting at a complex society that engaged in trade and craftsmanship. The find also strengthens the theory that North Africa played a pivotal role in early Mediterranean civilizations, acting as a bridge between Africa, Europe, and the Middle East much earlier than previously thought. Africa is a land of mysteries, a continent where every discovery opens new questions. Whether it's inexplicable spheres, mysterious stones, or hidden chambers in pyramids, one thing is clear: there is still so much to uncover. Which of these discoveries fascinated you the most? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.